Are you looking for a high-quality, professional-grade frying pan that can handle all your cooking needs? This Tramontina Professional 10-inch non-stick frying pan is a kitchen essential that meets both the performance standards of a professional kitchen and the convenience of home cooking. Made with heavy-gauge aluminum and featuring a reinforced non-stick coating, this pan delivers evenly cooked dishes and effortless food release. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, here's a comprehensive look at why the Tramontina pan could be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Why choose the Tramontina Professional skillet over other non-stick pans? Compared to typical non-stick pans, the Tramontina skillet offers a durable, heavy-duty construction that holds up well over time. While other non-stick coatings may wear out, Tramontina's reinforced layer is designed to maintain its non-stick properties even with frequent use. Moreover, the heavy-gauge aluminum construction means you're getting a pan that distributes heat better than many non-stick alternatives, delivering consistently great results. Why settle for ordinary non-stick when you can enjoy professional quality at home? Choose a pan that outlasts and outperforms. While the pan is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for extended longevity. Avoid using metal utensils as they can scratch the non-stick surface. When cleaning, use warm water and mild soap, and avoid abrasive sponges. With proper care, this pan will maintain its non-stick qualities and be a reliable kitchen companion for years. What makes the Tramontina Professional frying pan stand out? Tramontina's Professional Series fry pans are crafted with restaurant-grade materials and designed to withstand rigorous daily use. With this 10-inch non-stick skillet, you can sear, sauté, fry, and scramble with ease. Let's explore the qualities that make this pan a must-have for both amateur cooks and experienced chefs alike. 1. Superior heat distribution with heavy-gauge aluminum. The heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution across the pan, so your food cooks uniformly every time. This consistent heat allows you to achieve golden brown sears, perfect scrambled eggs, and evenly cooked vegetables without constant adjustments. If you've experienced uneven cooking with thinner pans, this upgrade will make a noticeable difference. Say goodbye to hot spots and hello to evenly cooked meals every time with this professional-grade skillet. 2. Reinforced non-stick coating for easy food release and cleanup. Equipped with a reinforced non-stick coating, the Tramontina Professional fry pan makes cooking a breeze. This high-quality non-stick layer ensures your food slides out smoothly, making it perfect for delicate dishes like omelets or fish. Plus, cleanup is easy. No more soaking or scrubbing after cooking. Simply wipe or rinse the pan clean, and it's ready for your next culinary creation. Tired of sticky pans and messy cleanup? The Tramontina skillet's non-stick surface takes the hassle out of cooking. 3. Ergonomic handle with removable silicone grip. The pan's cast stainless steel handle is riveted for maximum stability, giving you a solid grip while cooking. For added comfort and control, it comes with a removable silicone grip that provides a soft, slip-resistant hold, especially handy when cooking for extended periods. And when you're ready to use it in the oven, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily remove the silicone grip, making the pan versatile for both stovetop and oven use. Master your cooking with a pan designed for both comfort and performance, thanks to its ergonomic handle. 4. Versatile and oven-safe. Up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The Tramontina Professional fry pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, making it suitable for most kitchens. This pan can transition from stovetop to oven, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven after searing on the stovetop, a feature that's especially handy for recipes that call for both methods. Need a pan that can go from stovetop to oven without missing a beat? This Tramontina pan has you covered. 5. Professional quality with NSF certification. The pan meets NSF standards, which means it's certified for use in professional kitchens. This certification ensures that the pan meets high standards of durability, safety, and quality. You'll have peace of mind knowing that this skillet is built to last and crafted to withstand demanding use, whether in a restaurant or your home kitchen. When it comes to quality, this pan meets the gold standard of professional kitchens, right in your home. With these features, the Tramontina Professional pan is more than a skillet. It's a tool that brings convenience and professional quality into your everyday cooking. Protect your investment with simple care tips, ensuring a pan that stays non-stick and high-performing for years. Final verdict. Is the Tramontina Professional Frying Pan right for you? The Tramontina Professional 10-inch non-stick frying pan is an exceptional choice for anyone who values quality, durability, and versatility in their kitchen tools. With its professional-grade construction, user-friendly features, and oven-safe design, this pan fits seamlessly into both home and professional kitchens. It's ideal for a variety of cooking methods and offers an ergonomic design that ensures comfort during extended use. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a high-performing non-stick skillet that will deliver consistent results, the Tramontina pan is a choice you won't regret. From the serious chef to the casual cook, this pan is versatile enough to meet everyone's needs, bringing professional quality right into your home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.